If you are over 60 and you keep waking up at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning with your mind racing, your heart pounding, and a strange sense of anxiety you cannot explain, I need you to stop what you are doing and stay with me for the next few minutes. Because what you have been told about aging and sleep is incomplete. Feeling exhausted every morning, struggling with brain fog, needing naps during the day, and lying awake at night is not simply your body getting older. In many cases, it is your body trapped in a state of chronic cortisol elevation, and most people are unknowingly triggering it every single evening. And for decades, I have studied how nutrition influences the body at the cellular level, especially in adults over 60. What shocked me most was discovering how one specific nighttime food can dramatically influence the nervous system's stress response while supporting deeper, more restorative sleep naturally. Not through sedation, not through medication, but through biology working the way it was designed to work before modern habits disrupted it. A major sleep study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that adults over 65 produce significantly higher nighttime cortisol levels than younger adults, even while sleeping. Think about that for a moment. Your body may be trying to fight a battle while you are lying in bed exhausted, wondering why rest never feels restorative anymore. And here is the part almost nobody talks about. The number one food that may help reverse this is something many seniors either avoid completely or eat at the worst possible time. Stay until the end because the timing and preparation method changes everything. Cortisol is often called the stress hormone, but most people do not realize how deeply it controls the quality of your sleep, especially after the age of 60. When cortisol rises at the wrong time of night, your brain stays stuck in survival mode. Your body may be lying in bed, but internally, it behaves as though it needs to stay alert for danger. That is why so many older adults wake up between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the morning with racing thoughts, unexplained anxiety, or a strange feeling of restlessness they cannot put into words. Maybe this sounds familiar. You fall asleep exhausted, only to wake up a few hours later staring at the ceiling while your mind replays conversations, worries about family, finances, or health problems. Then morning arrives, and instead of feeling restored, you feel heavy, foggy, irritable, and drained before the day even begins. Over time, this cycle affects far more than sleep. Elevated nighttime cortisol has been linked to increased belly fat, memory decline, inflammation, insulin resistance, and accelerated brain aging. Here is what makes this even more frustrating. Many seniors blame themselves. They assume poor sleep is simply part of getting older, but research increasingly shows that cortisol dysfunction is often driven by hidden biological triggers, including chronic stress, blood sugar instability, inflammatory foods, loneliness, poor nighttime eating habits, and overstimulation before bed. In other words, your body is sleeping with one eye open because it no longer feels safe enough to fully rest. The encouraging news is that the brain can still respond remarkably well to the right signals, even later in life. Researchers at the University of Colorado found that adults over 65 who consumed specific calming nutrients in the evening experienced meaningful improvements in sleep depth and nighttime cortisol regulation within weeks. Certain foods before bed can act almost like a message to the nervous system, telling the body the danger has passed and repair can finally begin. Now let's get into the countdown. The first food on this list surprises many people because it looks so simple that most assume it could not possibly influence something as serious as cortisol and deep sleep. But kiwi has quietly become one of the most researched fruits in sleep science, especially for adults over 60. What makes it powerful is the unique combination of serotonin, antioxidants, and vitamin C packed into such a small fruit. Serotonin matters because it helps regulate melatonin, the hormone your brain depends on to recognize when it is finally safe to sleep deeply. After the age of 60, natural melatonin production often declines sharply. That means the brain becomes less efficient at maintaining long, uninterrupted sleep cycles. Instead of drifting naturally into restorative sleep, many seniors remain in lighter stages of sleep where the body never fully repairs itself. This is where kiwi appears to help in a surprisingly meaningful way. Researchers in Taiwan conducted a clinical sleep study where adults who consumed kiwi before bed fell asleep faster, slept longer, and experienced fewer nighttime awakenings within just a few weeks. The antioxidant compounds in kiwi may also help calm inflammation and oxidative stress, two hidden drivers of elevated nighttime cortisol. I remember one patient named Margaret who came to me exhausted after years of broken sleep. She described waking every single night around 3 o'clock in the morning with anxiety and tension in her chest. She assumed it was simply aging. After adjusting a few nighttime habits and adding 2 kiwis roughly 1 hour before bed, something remarkable happened. For the first time in years, she slept through the night consistently. But what affected her most was not the sleep itself. It was waking up with clarity again. She told me she finally felt emotionally steady instead of constantly overwhelmed. The ideal approach is simple. Eat 1 or 2 kiwis about 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. Pairing them with a small amount of plain yogurt or a handful of nuts may help stabilize nighttime blood sugar even further, which can reduce cortisol spikes during the night. But the next food works through an entirely different mechanism, and its effect on deep sleep shocked researchers studying adults over 65. The second food may be even more powerful for adults over 60 because it targets one of the deepest biological changes associated with aging: declining melatonin production. Tart cherries are one of the rare natural food sources that contain measurable amounts of melatonin, the hormone responsible for helping your brain recognize darkness, safety, and rest. And after the age of 60, this system often begins to break down dramatically. It is almost as if your brain slowly forgets how to shut the lights off at night. This matters more than most people realize. Melatonin is not only about falling asleep. It plays a major role in regulating inflammation, calming the nervous system, supporting immune function, and guiding the brain into deeper, restorative sleep cycles. Without enough of it, many seniors remain trapped in shallow sleep, where the body never fully repairs muscles, clears inflammation, or detoxifies the brain properly overnight. Researchers studying tart cherry juice found something fascinating. Older adults who consumed it consistently before bed experienced longer sleep duration, reduced nighttime cortisol levels, and improvements in sleep efficiency. Some studies even suggested enhanced REM sleep, the stage connected to memory processing, emotional regulation, and cognitive repair. In other words, deep sleep is not simply rest. It is maintenance for the aging brain. I remember a patient named Robert who described feeling emotionally fragile after months of poor sleep. Small problems overwhelmed him. His energy disappeared by afternoon, and he stopped enjoying activities he once loved. He believed something was permanently wrong with him. But after introducing tart cherry juice in the evenings along with a few nutritional adjustments, the changes began slowly. Within several weeks, he noticed he was sleeping longer without waking repeatedly through the night. Then something even more meaningful happened. His emotional stability returned. He felt calmer, more patient, and mentally clearer during the day. He told me it felt like his nervous system had finally stopped fighting itself. The best approach is usually 8 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice, or a small serving of whole tart cherries about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Pairing tart cherries with magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds or almonds may enhance the calming effect even further by helping muscles and the nervous system relax naturally. But the number one food shocked sleep researchers because its effect on cortisol works through an entirely different pathway, and most people have been eating it completely wrong for years. Now we arrive at the food that surprised even many sleep researchers because it works on several systems inside the body at the same time. The number one nighttime food for lowering cortisol naturally after 60 is a banana paired with a spoonful of almond butter. I know that sounds almost too simple, especially compared to expensive supplements and sleep medications, but the biology behind this combination is incredibly powerful when eaten correctly. A banana contains natural carbohydrates that help tryptophan enter the brain more efficiently. Tryptophan is an amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin, which then supports healthy melatonin production. Bananas also provide potassium and magnesium, two minerals deeply connected to nervous system stability and muscle relaxation. Almond butter adds healthy fats and additional magnesium, helping stabilize blood sugar through the night instead of allowing the sharp crashes that can trigger cortisol spikes at 2 or 3 in the morning. Think about what your body is trying to do while you sleep. It is attempting to move from survival mode into repair mode. But when blood sugar swings wildly or stress hormones remain elevated, the brain interprets that instability as danger. This simple nighttime combination works almost like a signal telling the body the danger has passed. The nervous system begins shifting toward the parasympathetic state, the deeply restorative mode associated with healing, recovery, memory consolidation, and emotional calm. One clinical review on magnesium and sleep found that adults with higher magnesium intake experienced improved sleep quality, reduced nighttime awakenings, and lower markers of physiological stress. Researchers have also observed that stable evening blood sugar may significantly reduce nighttime cortisol surges in older adults. I will never forget a patient named Eleanor who suffered from insomnia for nearly 12 years. She dreaded nighttime because she already knew what was coming. Hours of tossing, anxious thoughts, chest tightness, and exhaustion the next day. She believed she was simply broken. After changing several evening habits and introducing half a banana with 1 tablespoon of almond butter about 90 minutes before bed, the pattern slowly shifted. A few weeks later, she told me she had slept 6 uninterrupted hours for the first time in years. But the most emotional moment came when she said, "I finally feel safe in my own body again." Here is where most people get this completely wrong. They eat bananas late at night alongside sugary desserts, processed cereal, or ice cream, creating the exact blood sugar chaos that keeps cortisol elevated. The ideal approach is simple. Half to 1 banana with a tablespoon of almond butter, eaten quietly about 60 to 90 minutes before bed, without heavy sugar or caffeine nearby. Sometimes the smallest nightly rituals become the turning point between surviving aging and finally resting again. By now, you may be realizing that deep sleep after 60 is not about finding one miracle solution. It is about giving the body the right signals consistently, night after night, until the nervous system finally begins to trust that it is safe to rest again. The good news is that this does not need to feel complicated or overwhelming. In fact, the simpler the routine becomes, the more likely your body is to respond positively over time. Try this tonight. About 2 hours before bed, avoid caffeine completely, including hidden sources like chocolate or certain teas. Keep heavy sugar and processed snacks out of the evening because sudden blood sugar crashes during the night are one of the fastest ways to trigger cortisol spikes and restless sleep. Roughly 90 minutes before bedtime, have your calming snack, whether that is Kiwi, Tart cherry juice, or half a banana with almond butter. Then begin reducing stimulation around you. Dim the lights in your home, if possible. Lower the television volume. Put the phone away. Blue light exposure late at night can confuse the brain and suppress melatonin production, almost like convincing your nervous system that daytime danger is still present. Instead, allow the evening to become quieter and slower. Even a few minutes of calm breathing, light stretching, or reading can help shift the body toward relaxation. What matters most is consistency, not perfection. These small nightly habits act together like a message to the brain saying, healing can begin now. And over weeks and months, those quiet signals can become powerful enough to restore energy, emotional stability, mental clarity, and truly restorative sleep again. If there is one thing I hope you take away from this video, it is this. Poor sleep after 60 is not always permanent. Your body is not betraying you. In many cases, it is simply asking for the right signals, the right nourishment, and the right rhythm to finally feel safe enough to rest again. Even after decades of stress, interrupted sleep, and exhaustion, the human body still carries an incredible capacity to heal. And that matters because sleep affects far more than tiredness. It affects your memory, your patience, your energy, your emotional resilience, and your ability to enjoy the people and moments that make life meaningful. Waking up refreshed is not a luxury. It is deeply connected to dignity, independence, and feeling mentally sharp enough to continue living life on your terms. So tonight, do not focus on changing everything at once. Simply try one small change. Listen to your body carefully. Pay attention to how you feel tomorrow morning. Healing often begins quietly, almost invisibly, before suddenly becoming undeniable weeks later. And if this video spoke to you, I would genuinely love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me your age and which nighttime food you want to try first. Your story may encourage someone else who feels exhausted and discouraged right now. And if you enjoy research-backed health content designed specifically for adults over 60, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss future videos. Never underestimate what can happen when the body is finally given permission to rest, repair, and heal during the quiet hours of the night.